What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're looking at the Tribit XFree Tune wireless headphones. Now these are actually a 4.5 star out of 5 rating on Amazon right now, and they're Amazon choice, so apparently a lot of people are liking them. Now these have dual 40mm drivers. They're saying that it has true to life audio and rich bass. Now these don't have active noise cancellation, but they say that it has passive noise reduction. I'm not really sure who to believe or what to believe, but on the box, it says music playtime up to 24 hours and charging time is about 3 hours. But on their Amazon page, they're saying 4 hours of charge gets you 40 hours of playtime. So I don't know who to believe. But either way, let's just open this up. Oh wow, those have some weight to them. All right, so we've got a warranty card, 30-day money-back guarantee, 18-month replacement warranty, and lifetime support guarantee. So that's pretty good. Instruction manual and some cables. We got a 3.5 to 3.5 cable and a very small USB to micro USB cable. Ooh, those actually feel very premium. Wow. It snaps into place. Crack. Now the cushion on here feels very soft and very, very cushiony. Man, that's nice. I'm digging that. The top part, it's got the same cushion on it, just a little thinner. You got your nice aluminum, it looks like brushed aluminum. They're saying that it's a metallic slider. I'm not sure what that means, but it looks like brushed aluminum. On the left side, you got the 3.5mm port. On the right side, you've got your micro USB port, and you have your volume controls right here, and your power right here. Ooh, very nice. I'm digging the look of them. Definitely nice and cushiony. All right, let's turn it on. LED indicator is on the bottom of the right one. So there it is, a Tribit XFree Tune pad. I like the accent on there. Okay, cool. Oh, I gotta turn it down. It's got some volume. It's very thumpy dance music, but wow, that's got some volume. I don't know if you guys can hear that bass, but that is some very rumbly bass. That's pretty good. I like that.
Your soft drink, whether it's herbaceous, fruititious, or sugaraceous.
All right, I'm gonna do a distance check. It said Bluetooth 4.1, so hopefully we'll get about 30 feet or so. All right, I'll be back. All right, okay, so I got about 36-ish feet with a couple walls actually in between, and then it finally cut out, so distance was actually pretty good. Let's try the back pocket. No skipping. All right, let's make a phone call. Hello. Hey. Oh, I sound really loud? So the microphone is so good that you can actually hear the echo in the room. Okay, how about, can you hear this? Oh, okay, so the microphone is really good. That might not be good if you're out in public and stuff. Okay, all right, thanks, babe. All right, well, that's different. So the microphone on here, I don't know where the microphone even is. I'm guessing the microphone is like right there. But she said that it's so good that she can hear the echo in the room, but not only that, she can also hear like ambient noise. So that might not be good if you're trying to talk on the phone and you're in a public place or in a loud area. But man, these things are great. These are actually pretty good. I can see why it's got a 4.5 star rating. They're very comfortable. The build quality on these are actually pretty good. I mean, for 50 bucks, they kind of feel a little more expensive than that, really. Highs, mids, and lows on a scale of 1 to 10, 5 being what I would expect. I didn't actually expect them to sound that good. I'll give a 7.5 for highs and mids because I think they could be a little more clear. The bass, I'm gonna give like an 8, and it's a very rich bass. It's not the most powerful bass. The bass isn't the most dominant thing here. I feel like these headphones are pretty well equalized. They did a pretty good job with them. Overall, they sound great. They're super comfortable. The only downside, I guess, is that the microphone may be a little too powerful. And they look pretty good. I'm digging the look of them. And of course, they're super convenient to fold up, throw in a bag or something. If 50 bucks is in your range of wireless headphones, this is not a bad place to start looking. Anyway, guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below as usual. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.